these people?
This place builds them. Oh, actually, more like it remembers them. And the more times it remembers something, the less it does. Somewhere out there is a guy in a striped shirt, but in here he's remembered. Just slightly wrong. Somewhere out there is a man in a wheelchair and a lamp. I'm pretty sure that's how you get all of this. You know, all these places and rooms and buildings misremembering themselves.
Clark, let's talk this through.
In some ways, they're an improvement on the originals. For starters, they can't feel anything. Can you imagine how good that must feel? I mean, there's no thoughts, no pain, no ego, no fear. They simply exist. Like furniture. Look at this. Best part. You can